Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this fully animated lecture, you will learn about a very basic concept of organic chemistry, isomerism. So, what is isomerism? Well, it's all about the compounds with the same molecular formula, but different structures and properties. It's like playing with building blocks. Imagine, you have a set of building blocks, and you can arrange them in different ways to create different structures. So, these are the same blocks, but they give different structures. Well, in chemistry, atoms are our building blocks, and we can rearrange them to form different compounds, having the same molecular formula, but different structures. I have an example of pentane. It has the molecular formula C5H12. But guess what? There's not just one way to arrange those atoms. Let's start with the first isomer called N-pentane, which stands for normal pentane. It's the simplest and most straightforward arrangement of pentane. It's a straight chain of 5 carbon atoms, with 12 hydrogen atoms. So the molecular formula of the structure is C5H12. Molecular formula tells us exactly what elements are present in a compound, and how many of each. While the structural formula shows arrangement of different atoms in a compound. Next we have another structure of pentane, isopentane. This isomer has 4 carbon atoms in a row, and 1 carbon atom branching off from the second carbon atom. Although the molecular formula of isopentane is C5H12. Moving on to another structure of pentane, neopentane, this compound is a bit more complex. The central carbon atom is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms. These 4 carbon atoms are arranged tetrahedrally around the central carbon atom. There are total 5 carbons and 12 hydrogens in this structure. The molecular formula is C5H12. So, all these compounds have the same molecular formula, but different structures, known as isomers of pentane. The word isomer is derived from Greek words isos and meros. Isos means equal, and meros means parts. So the word isomers means having equal parts. This term was introduced by Swedish chemist Jacob Berzelius in the year 1830. So, what are isomers? Chemical compounds that have same molecular formulas, but differ in properties and arrangement of atoms, called isomers. Let me explain some type of isomerism. There are 2 primary types of isomerism. These primary types are structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Structural isomers are molecules having the same molecular formula, but different structural arrangements. Let's take butane as an example. Butane is a hydrocarbon with the molecular formula C4H10. There are 2 types of structural isomers for butane, straight chain and branched chain isomers. Both isomers have the same molecular formulas but different structures. On the other hand, stereoisomers have the same molecular formula, but their spatial arrangement is different. Spatial arrangement means they have different 3-dimensional arrangements of atoms in a molecule. Let's take an example to make things clearer. Imagine we have butane, which is a hydrocarbon with 4 carbon atoms and 8 hydrogen atoms. Now, butane has 2 different types of stereoisomers, cis-butane and trans-butane. Cis-butane is when the 2 methyl groups are on the same side of the double bond. It's like having 2 puzzle pieces facing each other. On the other hand, trans-butane is when the 2 methyl groups are on opposite sides of the double bond. It's like having 2 puzzle pieces back to back. So both isomers have different spatial arrangements of methyl groups, known as stereoisomers. Structural and stereoisomerism are primary types. They are further classified into various types. We will discuss all these types in the upcoming lecture. So stay connected with my channel for more information about isomerism. I hope this video helped you. If you find it interesting, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more educational content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.